Hi everyone, Jess here, and today I'm joined with Kaire Kalve, Head of Supply Chain at Magnetic Group. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Jessica. Thank you for having me here.
Of course, it's a pleasure. So perhaps if we could start with you telling us a bit about Magnetic MRO and your role within the company. How would you summarize these?
My name is Kaire Kalve. I am the head of supply chain at Magnetic Group. And Magnetic Group is an aviation company located in Estonia, in Tallinn, and we are active on global scale, headquartered in Tallinn in Estonia. And we are present in Europe, more than 20 different locations, also in North America, Asia, and East Africa. And we are specialized on mainly asset management, maintenance, training, and also engineering. Therefore, we are providing the full scale of services to airlines and leasing companies and other aviation businesses.
Okay, fantastic. And Magnetic MRO uses an a sort of innovative AI-based purchase management system. Before we get into more detail on this and the AI, could you briefly outline the severity of the supply chain challenges the industry has been tackling and maybe explain some of the knock-on effect that this can have?
Yes, of course. The scope of unplanned spares in maintenance is more than 70%. That means that really securing materials, it is really highly unpredictable. Also, the price of spares is very high, and we have to buy them from always approved suppliers. And if we match all of the above, also with the short and fixed turnaround times, we have been confirming to our customers, we can see it's really challenging because the reaction time is really, really short. And back to 2023, when we introduced AI procurement also for G-check beside of replenishment, then the market had the all times high demand. And of course, airlines and aviation was struggling by retaining talent also because it was a challenge. Although now long order lead times from that time also, and everything is a little bit relieving, but still challenges prevail.
Fantastic. And then that's sort of how things were. How has the introduction of AI made tangible changes to this state of affairs?
AI efficiently automates high volume and smaller purchases so that it leaves for material planners more time to really deal with high cost and high value purchasing. So it will relieve some work time in our purchasing department. And with AI, we were also able to decrease this order processing time from sourcing stage until materials are in our warehouse. So, and of course, we are enjoying up to 10% cost savings because of consolidated purchasing. So, and not to mention less manual work, of course. So a lot to gain.
Absolutely. So that there's a real plethora of benefits, not least, like you say, the cost savings of it. Conversely, what are some of the major challenges you encountered while implementing AI in the procurement process? And can you give us an indication of how you overcame these?
I'm glad you asked it because like in every change, the major challenge is people, how to really involve and engage people in this process. Because whenever people are facing uncertainties, and change certainly is, so a lot of unpredictability. So this is a major, of course, and it really, in order to really cope with those challenges, you need to have very clear communication and also dedication, adequate resources allocation, and of course, a strong leadership is also needed.
Of course, and then that gives us a really strong indication of how useful AI can be even into this one application. Are there any other new technologies you anticipate having a really significant impact in the space?
In maintenance, we actually soon expecting a next step that the AI algorithm can monitor aircraft systems though that it will help airlines to perform more predictable maintenance, also reduce downtime and improve overall fleet efficiency. And if we are looking even further, then aircraft may be built with materials which actually repair themselves, though this really makes flying much more safer, because can you imagine that while flying, basically if there are small defects or cracks, then it will be automatically repaired. But of course, in a next step can also be that airlines will automatically inform procurement system if some parts are about to wear out or about to break, so that purchasing knows which needs to be replaced. That's really fascinating, and yeah.
Yeah, so there's so much to look forward to in the near and I imagine in some of those cases slightly further future, but yeah, all equally really exciting. If we turn our attention now to Aerospace Tech Week Europe, what are you most looking forward to at the event? Are there any particular sessions, speakers, companies you're looking forward to meeting?
I'm very excited to attend it. And of course, I'm looking forward to connecting with other industry experts and also learn from other companies' best practices. And of course, just to see what is going on, as you know, aviation is really fascinating industry, and yeah, it's really great to be updated.
Fantastic. Well, I really enjoy speaking to you, and I look forward to seeing you and learning more on site at the event.
Thank you, Jess.